The idea that digitalization and tyranny are the end goals of global elites is a common theme in various conspiracy theories. These theories often suggest that powerful individuals or groups are using digital technologies to control and manipulate the population. Here are a few points to consider. Digitalization and its benefits. Economic growth. Digital technologies can drive economic growth by improving efficiency, creating new industries, and providing access to global markets. Improved services. Digitalization can enhance public services such as healthcare and education, making them more accessible and efficient. Sustainable development. Digital tools can help achieve sustainable development goals by improving resource management and reducing environmental impact. Concerns and criticisms. Privacy and surveillance. One of the main concerns is that digital technologies can be used for mass surveillance, infringing on individual privacy and freedoms. Economic inequality. There is a fear that digitalization could exacerbate economic inequalities, as those with access to technology and skills benefit more than those without. Control and manipulation. Some believe that digital tools can be used to manipulate public opinion and control populations, leading to a form of digital tyranny. Conspiracy theories, the Great Reset. This theory suggests that global elites are using crises like the COVID-19 pandemic to implement a new world order characterized by increased control and reduced freedoms. And then there's the New World Order. Another theory posits that a secretive global elite is working towards establishing a totalitarian world government. While there are legitimate concerns about privacy, inequality, and control, it's important to differentiate between these concerns and unfounded conspiracy theories. Many of the claims made by these theories lack credible evidence and are often based on misinterpretations or exaggerations of real events. Understanding the potential benefits and risks of digitalization can help foster a more balanced perspective. Please like, share, and comment. Thanks.